Hi friends, this is Dhruv Kumar HV. Today we are discussing the subject is Operation Research. The topic is guidelines of the formulating of linear programming model. Introduction to linear programming. Introduction to linear programming. Linear programming is a mathematical method used for optimization. It helps in maximizing or minimizing a linear objective function subject to constructed. Proper formulation is essential for the successful application of LP technique. This is the picture is a linear programming which is represents as the how to represent the formula. Identify the decision variable. Decision variable represents the choice available to the decision makers. They should be clearly defined and measured to facilitate analysis. Each variable must reflect the quantity of resources or items being managed. Variable consists of two things: quantitative variable, qualitative variable. Define the objective functions. The objective functions expresses the goal of the problem, either minimization of or maximization or minimization. It is formulated as a linear equation based on the decision variables. A clear objective helps to guide the optimization process effectively. This is in this picture we are representing the objective functions where we can be got the thing. Formulate the constraints. Constraints define the limitations or requirement of the problem. They are typically expressed as linear inequality or equation involves decision variables. All relevant resources, capacities and requirement must be counted for in this step. Non-negativity restrictions. Non-negativity considered can ensure that decision variables cannot take negative variables, negative values. Those restrictions reflect real world scenarios where negative interests are not favorable, including those constructed is crucial for maintaining the model's realism. Consistent and non-negativity cannot produce a negative amount of space rays or zippers. These are the equations. Ensure linearity of relationship. All relationship the models must be linear or linear programming to be the applicable. This includes both the ob- objective function and the construct. The nonlinear relationship can lead to a inaccurate or unsolvable models. Gather data and parameters. Accurate data collection is useful for the formulation of the LP model. Parameters include coefficient for the objective function and constant, reliable and up to the date data ensure that model reflects current conditions. Qualitative data collection. Qualitative data collection is reflected to as a field work. Field work includes the material other recorded and the completed during the studies. Field work required the researchers to imitate himself in the sitting over the time. The researchers collect as much data she can as approved as a possibility. Quantitative data is narrative and visual. Visual. Review and validate the model. Val- Validation involves checking the models for consistency and flexibility. Stroke holders should review the models to ensure and accurately represent the situation, and discredited should be addressed before predicting the analysis. Quality control, validation, verification. Use software tool for implementation. Various software tools are available to solve linear programming method effectively. Tool like Excel, Server, Lindo, and GAMS helps streamline the optimization process. Utilizing those tools are ne- significantly ensure that effectively and accurate in solving the problems. Conclusion and the best participant. Formulating a linear programming model requires a careful planning and accuracy. Following establishing guidelines ensure the model's effectiveness and reliability. Continuous refinement and of the models can be lead to improved decision making outcomes. Thank you.